Wood, it's everywhere. We use it for houses, furniture, even toothpicks. But wood is more than just a material. It's a source of warmth, beauty, and endless creative potential. Think about the grain, the knots, the colors. Each piece of wood is unique, like a fingerprint. With a little imagination and some basic tools, you can transform ordinary wood into extraordinary things. Many folks see wood as purely functional, but it's so much more than that. It's a connection to nature, a way to bring the outdoors in. Working with wood is a rewarding experience. It's about slowing down, appreciating the material, and creating something with your own two hands. We've all seen those mass-produced shelves, lifeless, boring, forgettable. Now picture a handcrafted wooden table. It's got character, history, soul. That's the difference between wood as a material and wood as art. It's about taking something ordinary and making it extraordinary. You don't need to be an expert to create beautiful, functional pieces. Start with a simple project, a cutting board, a birdhouse, even a small shelf. You'll be amazed at what you can achieve. As you gain confidence and skill, you can tackle more complex designs. The sky's the limit. Don't be intimidated by fancy tools. You can start woodworking with just a few basics: a saw for cutting, a plane for smoothing, a chisel for shaping, and sandpaper for finishing. These tools are your allies in transforming wood. Learn to use each tool properly, respect their power, and they'll reward you with precision and control. Remember, safety first. Always wear safety glasses and use tools in a well-ventilated area. Let's make something. We'll turn a plain wooden plank into a rustic bookend. First, measure and mark the plank for cutting. Use your saw to carefully cut the wood to size. Next, use the plane to smooth out any rough edges and create a flat surface. Now, grab your chisel and carve a simple design into the wood, maybe a leaf, a heart, or your initials. Finally, sand everything down until it's smooth and splinter-free. You've done it. You've transformed a plain plank into a beautiful, functional piece of art. This is just one example. The possibilities of wood are endless. So go on, get your hands dirty, make something beautiful. The world needs more handcrafted wonder.